Before you begin, verify that all the components and hardware are included. Begin by stacking each module on the Rolls LFP stack base. That can be either 3, 5, or 7 modules. Flip the breakers downward in the off position. Now fasten each module using the included M5 by 12 mm bolts on the side of the units at the handle. Now, remove the ground cable screws, in preparation for the installation of the ground cables. Beginning at the top of the stack, secure the ground cables from one unit to the next. Do this using the pre-installed screws. Now, connect the bottom module ground to the base. Connect the base ground connection to the system or earth ground. Disclaimer: when using a power tool to secure screws, be sure to set the torque to low to prevent any damage. Ground cables should then be torqued to 4 to 5 Nm using a torque wrench. Set the dip switches on each module to identify the module number. Refer to the manual for dip switch positions if you are confused. For the next step, connect the supplied communication cables to the link in link-out ports between each unit. To begin installing the positive and negative terminal connections, remove the plastic terminal covers. Now remove the pre-installed terminal bolts. Beginning with the positive terminal connection, start at the top of the stack. Make sure you secure the bus bars as shown. Connect the positive bus bars between Module 2 and Module 1 in front of the previously placed bus bars, fixing only the bolts on Module 2. Affix one bus bar combiner to the positive terminal of Module 1, behind the previously placed bus bar. Connect the negative bus bars following the same sequencing as positive bus bars, working from the top module to the bottom, beginning with the bus bar combiner installed behind the two negative bus bars on the top module, 7, 5, or 3. Repeat the same process working from the top of the stack to the bottom. Connect the negative bus bars for Module 2 and Module 1, fixing the bolts on Module 2 and Module 1. Now, affix the output cable to the negative bus bar combiner of the top module. That would be 3, 5, or 7. Affix the input cable to the positive bus bar combiner of the bottom module 1. Disclaimer: when using a power tool to secure screws, be sure to set the torque setting to low to prevent damage. After making the external connections to the inverter, place the back protective panels on each module. Turn on the unit using the switches located on the rear panel of each module. Now place the protective panels on the back of each module.